Hi, welcome to smartmomgig.com. My name is Dawn Wellett, and you are here to learn how to get the best possible talent while saving you time and money. So let's go ahead and learn how to post a gig. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So at some point, you're going to want to take a minute to look around the home page. There's information for you under Get Started. About Us will tell you why I started the company. And the Facts section will definitely have some commonly asked questions as owners that you're going to want to know. But for now, you will simply click on the Need Work Done, You're a Gig Owner tab to get started. The pop-up will allow you to immediately sign up for free or log straight in. It'll be important that you remember this page in the future, as this is where we'll post any additional trainings or follow-up information as we move forward. If you're signing up, you'll go through the very simple process of filling in the information and creating a sign-in. The information needed to post a gig is very simple and should only take you a few minutes. Under the job type section, it will provide you with a drop-down, so you're able to pick the category of the job type and skills that you're looking for. And the experience level will also allow you to pick beginner, intermediate, or advanced, start and delivery date. And then the gig title, you want to make sure that you're picking a title for this position that allows users to understand what it is that you're looking for. The gig details section shouldn't be too much. It should just be a couple of sentences about what it is that you're specifically looking for, and then any additional notes to the guru that would help them determine if they should apply for this position. So once you click Save, this screen is going to pop up and it will show you all of the information that you selected about your gig. So in this example, we selected the job type as archive data and the task was organize. If at any time in this process, you would like to change any of that information, you simply need to click on the green Edit Post button and it will allow you to edit those details. So once you're certain that your gig is correct and this is what you're looking for, you'll proceed to the bottom half of this form, and that's where you'll decide how much you want to pay for your gig. Again, these are small task-based gigs, so it's anywhere between $200 and $1,500. If what you're looking to have done is more than $1,500, you'll just want to split up the work and have multiple gigs. Next, you're going to input your credit card information. This will immediately charge your credit card. However, it's important to remember that the guru or the person doing your work is not paid until the project is complete. So basically, these funds are sitting there until you release them. Congratulations, you've just posted your first gig. So there are a couple of things that you can do from here. Make sure that you look through your next steps. Typically, what I would suggest is that you go to the owner dashboard in the upper left-hand corner to look at all of your gigs. The owner dashboard is where you'll have confirmation of the gig that you just posted. Under gigs that are open, you'll see the gig ID number in purple. And once you click on that, it will show you all the information about your gig. Congratulations on posting your first gig. The exciting part is about to happen, which is watching all of those gig gurus apply. Make sure to take the second training in this series, which is managing your gig.